Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to weekly update from India Trading Academy. My name is Dave. We are going to analyze the market here. So we'll go for this week. What are we gonna do? So Nifty has done exactly what we have expected it to do. It has bounced up. Now the only question what this bounce is about. This could be two things. This could be just a corrective way for one down, or this could be just a start for up. What do we have right now? We are having an incomplete pattern over there, which means this week we cannot confirm that either this move is coming or this move is coming. Why? Because this is an incomplete pattern. This is incomplete pattern neither for upside nor downside. So what we do for this week, we have to read this while the market hours, while the market is happening. We have to understand this pattern during market hour, and based on that we can decide which move is going to happen. If we just give you the idea what actually we are planning, so we are looking at this pattern as of now. We are just keeping it impulsively, so we are just making some correction. So any moment we break out from this trend, this could be your trade for first target, and maybe if you are lucky, maybe this will get to the trend line and then either reverse or just give you the another sign for the complete pattern, right? So what trade we are looking for? We are looking for, as long as you are under this trend line, they are giving one more sell setup. So they'll give you sell setup, they'll sell it. Any moment you will come out, and based on that you can confirm the pattern, and then you can execute this trade. So this will be the good trade if it appears, but keep in mind that they can just go down just like this, right? So this was the complete pattern, and that's why they reverse. But this over there is not a complete pattern, right? So they could push it down, but my bet I can only do when they break out of this structure, then I can look for this trade. So this could be the immediate trade for this week. Now can they go down from here directly? This is not a pattern, complete pattern. Now, so as of now, this pattern is not for downside. So any moment you are just under this trend line, we are selling it, and any moment we get out of it, we are just buying this thing. Just a minute, guys. I think somebody is trying to get into the webinar. Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, so सर जी थोड़ा हिंदी में बोल. Oh, इस बार हमने पोल नहीं रखा. So we can only execute buy when you break out from this trend line, and then you can look for this is the target. When they come here, put it to break even and forget about it. All right, any other question, guys? So we are so close to it. Don't even try to think buying it unless you are not tagging this bottom. So just sell it. Can this give you correction? We need to dig that for that on a lower time frame. But if you are planning to buy this thing for a long term, let this tag this bottom, and then we can look it again, and then we can decide whether we want to buy it or not. Right now, no buy. Can you please tell me about Larsen and Turbo? Yeah, this is a big weekly update. I can tell you anything you ask. Larsen and Turbo. So what are you asking for, intraday or like investment kind of thing? Yeah, so the guy who asked about LNT, I have position at 1310. This move over there can come up till here. So they already tagged the top. That's only my concern. But definitely this move can go and tag this top 1, 2, 3, or it could be just start. Stay in the buy as long as you're maintaining this trend line, and once you break out from this trend line, you got to exit your trade, because then there is a higher probability that this move can come. But as long as you're in this trend, just keep following it until or unless you're breaking that. So that could be the trade for you. So pay attention. This is risky actually. There is no such possibility you should be buying it here. The only reason you should be buying it here is here. So there was a pattern, if you can see it, for buying setup over there. So if you cannot see it, you saw it very late, because now you cannot come at break even. So the thing you can do, just Stay in the trade as long as you're maintaining this trend line. Forecast how much it will go down or it have any chances to go up in the short term. I'll look at that again. This will go down for sure. Yeah, this is just going down, down, down. Now when I say down, I mean this down. They might go little bit like this, but that will be still this. So projection is this. There's a more possible for downside rather than upside. So if I want to take, like last time we discussed, guys, right? In any market you can have 2 trades at any given time. So like you can buy, you can sell. Now it's you have to answer, guys, which one are you interested in? Are you interested in this buy or are you interested in this sell? So both are the trades. It's totally up to you. A personality पे depend करता है what kind of trader you are. So I'm more towards to it. I'd like to trade that, but for that you have to wait for this and then you can execute a trade. So back to our Nifty, because that's the main. Can you suggest? No, I cannot suggest, sorry. That's for my students and trader. I can only answer if you have any question, because that's what I'm told to do from the academy. So yeah, so let me give some overview for the people who are watching it on YouTube. Guys, if you want to come live in the webinar, this is the link. You need to go over there and sign up this. So every week you will get a meeting ID for via mail for this. We do it on every Friday 4 PM currently. Work hard, that's the last one I'm watching. This can give you a buy setup. Look for buy setup soon, but not right now. Actually not a very prominent buy. The pattern here is also incomplete, so you need to wait for that. On 4 hours it looks on a buy, but on 1 hour it's not very prominent, so you have to wait for, let the pattern complete. If you want to buy, oh, you saw my setup over there also. You should not be seeing that. Anyways, now you already saw it, so you got little extra information from the webinar. Anyways, so if you're supposed to buy it, I would be buying it when they break out from this structure. If you want to sell it, there is not a complete pattern for sell setup, which means if you sell it right now, they will do like this, they will come back, they will do like this, they will come back and then go. So you have to go through this pain because there is not complete pattern on the chart. Alright guys, so thank you so much for coming.